Mama.
Yes, my dear.
What is happening to me? First, my sight. What if I become crippled? Will I never walk again?
Don't say that. You will walk again.
What kind of life is this? First, he took my sight. Now, my legs. What kind of suffering is this? Why am I suffering this much, Mama?
I feel your pains. I feel it. But I assure you, in no time, we will leave here with your sight and your legs completely whole.
Mama, you've said that for years. Year in, year out. Look at what has just happened. Nothing has changed. Mama, does God really hate me this much? Why does he hate me so much, Mama?
He does not hate you, my child. Don't say that. Don't say that. In no time, he will prove it to you. He will prove to you that he loves you. Put your sight and your legs. They will be complete.
Can you just take my life now? Because there's nothing left.
No, don't say that. It should be me first and not you. If we are to consider who to die, I should be the one, not you, my child, not you. Don't speak of this. Don't speak of this.
Madam, we have done everything we can do for now. The situation is very critical. The injury is very severe, and if something is not done fast, it will remain permanent.
Doctor, please do anything you can to save my child. Biko, save her for me. I will do anything possible as a mother.
We have two options left. Just two options. We could go for surgery. But this surgery will cost you 3 million naira. So start doing something even so that we can do something about it.
Doctor, ever since my existence on earth, have I even seen a quarter of that amount? Biko, what is the next option?
The next option is amputation.
Amputation? No, doctor, please. My daughter has suffered enough. She's already blind. Amputating her legs will make her live miserably. Please don't touch her legs. Promise me you will not touch her legs. I will do anything possible to get the money. Biko, don't touch her legs.
Let's start acting fast. Because something must have been done immediately. If you don't do anything positive towards it, she will lose her leg.
What is all this?
Madam, start doing something.
This place.
Funaya, what is this that is happening in this palace? You have fired all the servants in this palace. The very last one. Are you out of your mind?
Hey, husband, Your Majesty, why are you talking to me like this? After all the sacrifices I've made all these years.
Sacrifice?
Yes! I've made a lot of sacrifices for you and for the kingdom at large.
What sacrifice is greater than running a palace without a servant? Ifunaya, you have turned this palace into a chaos. And you know it.
Your Majesty, so I'm now the problem. Is that it? Because I'm looking out for us. Look, I heard it from a reliable source that most of those maids were busy gossiping and spreading rumors about this royal household. I was only protecting our dignity. Instead of you to thank me, you're here shouting at me.
You see, Ifunaya, sometimes you are impossible.
Oh, Your Majesty. You've said another one. You're hurting my feelings, Your Majesty. And you know I love you so much. You know I really, really love you. That's why you're taking advantage of my love for you. Okay, I'm going to prove to you that I really love you. I am going to bring back those servants. However, Your Majesty, you really hurt my feelings so. And you must make it up.
What do you want?
The university project between Momako and Umuchu. I want to oversee it.
That is a highly important project.
And Your Majesty. And I am a highly important woman in your life. Your Majesty, don't you trust me?
Yes, fine. You will handle the project.
I love you, Your Majesty. Oh, I love you so much. I love you. You see, when I keep talking about you, you always know how to make things right. I love you, sweetheart. I love you again.
My soul gets dizzy, hearing your voice alone makes me happy.
Newsflash. The university project is now in our hands. My foolish husband has no idea. He just handed me a gold mine on a silver platter.
And what a gold mine it is, my queen. But we must be careful. If we must siphon money from this project, it must be done wisely. No one should suspect a thing.
That's why I'm involving you. That's why you're here. Look, you are a man of wisdom and discretion. Look, whatever you do, you must make sure the numbers align. My husband or anyone from Umamako Kingdom must not get a hint of any form of irregularity. It could ruin everything we have planned for.
Well, Ifunaya, you are more than just a queen. You are a goddess of power and beauty. I've always admired your brilliance and your strength, you know.
Thank you. Will you stop it? Have you lost your senses? Have you? My husband could walk in and we'll both get killed. Don't you understand?
Then you must pay closer attention to his wife or someone else to do it.
That's enough, no one. That's enough. Now leave. No one must see you. Go! Oh, no.
Anytime I look at your face, you're my breath and the reason for my happiness today.
Good day, Mama Amarachi. I was on my way to see Amarachi. Is she at home?
Ikenna, you were a curse in my daughter's life. And I don't want to see you near her again.
What is it? Which one be a cause? Which cause? What have I done? Is it a crime to know your daughter? I said I only wanted to see your daughter. Which one are you insulting me now?
It is 100% wrong to ask after her. Do you hear me? And like I said, I don't want to see you near my daughter. If I see you near my daughter, in this life or even in her dreams, I will crush your bones myself.
You will crush my bones?
Yes.
You?
And you want me to start now?
You've not heard the last of me. Oh. You've not heard the last of me. Your daughter is my wife. I'll marry her.
Hey! Idiot! They thought like you're looking for Amarachi to marry. They called you. You've not. I don't know how much of this I can take anymore. Every day, Princess Chibona finds new ways to humiliate us. They slap, they insult, they're just too much. Is it even her mother they're praying? Treat us as if we are just nothing but a trash beneath her feet. What kind of thing is that?
Do you think it will ever end? Maybe. Maybe when she marries Princess Zuna and leaves this palace, we'll finally have peace.
You think that would be the right thing to say? See, don't you know that if she finally becomes the queen, we are in trouble. She will just own us forever. There will be no escape way for us again. Don't you think so?
Then maybe we should leave. Let's leave.
That's the best thing we should do. We should just try to run away.
But do you even think they will allow us?
I don't know. But wait, let's just go back. Let's just go back before the princess start looking for us. Let's just go back. Let's just go back. I don't like trouble.
Mom, I'm sick and tired of this. For how long are we supposed to manage the princess's excesses? For how long? She disrespects me and everyone around her. She has no human sympathy. I'm tired.
You have to relax and take it easy. I understand your frustration very well. Princess Chibona is highly spirited. But I promise you that in no distant time, she will change. Yes, she will.
Mom, she has to change real fast. If not, I will change my mind about the marriage. Because I cannot fathom the idea of getting married to a woman like that. I cannot.
So this is it. You two sit here and gossip about me like I don't exist. Why are you sounding so unbothered?
If you do not want me here, then let me leave.
Hey, you scumbag. Go upstairs and pack my things. I'm leaving.
Sure, why you get me? My daughter, do not act so rashly.
My friend, I just talked to somebody and then she's standing there.
Will you relax? You are not unwanted here. And no one is plotting against you. Your father and I, we want you here. And the entire kingdom wants you. So what else do you want?
My queen, why does your son, the prince, speak about me like that? Why is he acting as though I'm evil?
It's because he doesn't understand you yet. And I tell you that he will understand you. Please, I played on you. Do not put this family to shame. You are a princess, remember? You're not just a common girl that will just run away at any slightest disagreement. You are a princess, right? You know that? So you have to relax.
Fine.
Everything will come into place.
I'll stay. But please, do not ever talk about me like that again. Tell your son not to speak about me like that ever again.
Are you talking about me or about my son? And are you sure you heard what I said well?
Your Majesty, I'm just stating the obvious. I'm just stating the fact here.
I didn't say anything against you, if you remembered.
I have called everyone I know in this life. Yes, everybody that I know. And no one seems to have. No one has. People don't tell me you don't have. Yeremaka, you are my last hope. Hello? Hello, Jara.
I believe everything happens for a reason. People change so that we can learn how to let go.
Mama Amarachi,
Some certain things.
this one your face is like somewhere that the whole world has abandoned. Is everything okay?
Amarachi had an accident.
Accident?
And if I don't provide 3 million naira, my daughter's leg, my daughter will be crippled.
3 million naira? That's a whole lot of money. Oh. I have a suggestion. Yes. This is what we are going to do.
Okay.
We'll meet with the doctor and we'll beg the doctor, let's cut off Amarachi's 2 legs so she becomes crippled. You know already she's blind already and she'll become crippled. Then no man will be interested in her aside me. Me, I can manage now. You don't need to stress. I will marry her like that. I'm not complaining. So think about it. You don't need to waste money. Because I know fully well you don't even have the money. So, what do you think?
Ikenna.
Yes.
Ikenna, you are the devil himself.
Me, devil?
Ikenna, you are heartless. Ikenna, your heart is as black as the black stone itself. Ikenna, it is you that will go cripple. Even if my daughter, we are to be healthy, she cannot even marry you. Even if in her grave, as a corpse, she will still not marry you because you are evil.
Come, look at what you are saying.
You are evil.
Look at what you are saying. Where would you see 3 million naira from? You don't even have 3,000 naira the way I'm looking at you. You don't have, you don't have. So where would you even see the money from? I'm doing something very good that will benefit me and you. I will marry her. I won't even complain. Let her be. I know she's already blind. She's still crippled. I will take her like that as my wife. Don't worry. You don't need to.
Ikenna, listen to me. Ikenna, it's you that will go cripple. Ikenna, it's you that will go blind. That's the blindness my daughter is suffering. You will go in.
Think about it, oh. It's a win-win for me and you. Nobody will marry her crippled. Already she's blind. Now let me go marry her, oh.
You will go blind and you will go crippled at the same time. Wicked so. Fool! Vagabond! You go soldier! Hey! Onye kanga sikwanu. Onye kanga Who do I call it? Oye kanga who do I call? Hey!
I don't think so. You think it's just like how very nice woman. I don't be clean. I'm telling you. Your Majesty.
Do you have an idea what your daughter almost did today? She nearly destroyed everything.
My king, please. Please. Chibunna was only acting out of frustration. You know she's young and passionate.
Passionate, you said. If she had left Umochu kingdom today, every of our plans would have collapsed. Let me ask you, do you think Umuchu Kingdom needs us more than we need them? See, if your daughter destroyed this union, she will answer to me.
Your Majesty, you underestimate our powers. Umuchu Kingdom does not know the truth about our financial struggles. To them, we are strong, wealthy, superior, and we must continue to act that way.
And what if they grow tired of this game? Do you think they will beg her next time?
Your Majesty, they will beg. They always will. They will continue to beg. Your Majesty, in fact, without us, their kingdom will crumble, including their financial status. Who knows, Umuchu?
You know what is at stake. I hope you know what is at stake. You are in charge of this project we are talking about. Because if Umuchu Kingdom should back out, we are doomed. You know what that means?
Your Majesty, have you had something this afternoon?
I am talking about something very serious. You are asking me about food.
Your Majesty, you worry too much. Come, let me get you something to eat. You worry too much.
And where do you think you're going to?
I have somewhere to be right now. Okay?
No. No, future husband to be. You can't be anywhere right now. We have a traditional photo shoot today and it's happening right now.
Can we do this some other time, please?
Some other time? Wow. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. We can't do this some other time. My friends, do you think royal duties happen at your own convenience? Oh no. I need my husband beside me, smiling for the camera and showing the entire kingdom how perfect.
Wonderful. Son, from me to you, if you must have a wonderful marital bliss, make her happy. Her happiness and peace of mind is paramount here. That is the only antidote.
Fine. Let's get this over with.
Perfect. So, we have 13 outfits in 8 different locations.
What?
I'll be upstairs with husband.
You heard me, sir. Son, get this enshrined in your consciousness. We are in for business. Whatever you can do to make her happy, please do. This is business. You get it.
Madam, we have waited so long. Her condition is getting worse. We must act now.
Doctor, I have called everyone that I know. I have called everybody that I know that are in the position to help me. I keep hearing I don't have. There is no money, doctor. There is no money.
Then we have no choice. And if we wait any longer, it will spread. And we could lose more than just the leg.
Cut it off.
Has she cut it off?
No, not cut
can't you come? Oh.
They will prepare for surgery. The theater has been made ready and doctors are waiting. Nurses.
Yes, Doc.
Prepare for surgery.
Okay, sir.
And do that very fast.
Okay, sir.
That's good. It's okay.
Okay.
What is all this? What is all this? What is all this? Can't you just come and hear her? Come to live with her. Come to live with her.
What's going on? What's it doing?
You wicked, heartless man.
What happened?
You wicked and heartless man.
What?
You've ruined my daughter. You've crippled my daughter.
How?
The doctor said her legs has to be amputated because I cannot provide 3 million naira for her surgery.
That's alright, man. I'll pay.
I hope it's not too late.
What is the meaning of this?
Doctor, you need to stop. Stop the amputation now.
Please, hope it's not too late. Hope my daughter's leg has not been amputated. Huh?
Yes, I'm going to be
Hope you have not got her leg. Hope you have not got it.
Then go and do the payment right now. I'm going to halt the amputation.
Thank you very much. Mama, come with me, please.
That's good. That's a nice one. Oh.
Mama, what's wrong with me? Why does my eyes feel so tight?
My daughter.
Oh,
thank God.
Mama, Mom, what happened? Did I have another accident?
No, my child.
What happened to me?
No, my child.
Why do I have a band-aid on my face?
A good Samaritan paid for everything.
Everything?
Yes.
What do you mean everything?
They did both the surgery in your eyes and your leg.
You mean I might.
We are hoping that when that bandage on your eyes is removed, you'll be able to see again.
Mama, don't joke with me. Don't joke with me, Mama. You mean I will see again?
Yes. You'll be able to see again.
Oh, Mama. It hurts.
Just relax.
Igwe. Hello. What business brought you to my palace today?
Your Majesty, I came to discuss the ongoing project with the Queen.
If I did not send for you, don't come. And if you have any business with the Queen, do it elsewhere, not in my palace.
I apologize, Your Majesty. It will never happen again.
Why did you have to call me out here, Ono?
That arrogant fool humiliated me today. I told you it's time for the king to die and stay out of our way.
Then what? Then what? Look, if the king dies now, we will practically lose access to everything he controls. And don't forget, his son could return and claim the throne.
Then what do you suggest?
Patience. Patience, my dear. We will strike at the right time.
Now, Amarachi, I'm trying to open your eyes gradually, slowly. Yeah, open. Easy. Don't force it. Don't force it. Just slowly. Now, let's go. Open. Open. I see anything? That's good. You're getting it. This is good. Okay. You can?
You can see.
That's good. That's successful.
You can see. I can see. You can see me.
Easy. Don't force it. No, do not. Gradually. Close it a bit. And get it open a bit. Okay.
I see you, Mama. And you look so beautiful. More than I remembered. You are my precious child. Hey, cool. Thank you. Thank you so much, Doctor.
This is very successful. I'm happy about it. Yeah. Easy. Don't assume as I leave now, they'll get you. Just chill. Easy. No, do not go. Don't touch. Unless your hands are sanitized. Do not. It's okay.
Doctor, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Doctor, please, the stranger who paid for my surgery, I need to thank him. Where is he?
Oh, he's already left. Though he dropped his contact details in case if he should need anything.
Please, can you give my mother the contact? You need to thank him. I need to thank him.
Sure, we'll do it.
Thank you, Doctor.
That's good. No, it's okay.
The lights.
It's okay. No.
The lights are
No. I will get. No, do go. Do not go. I will get you the protected chair. You get that when I leave this place.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry. It's okay. Remember to take your drugs as prescribed.
Yes, Doctor.
Do not let anything get close to your eyes so that you get infected.
Okay,
Did you hear me? Okay, remember your eye drops. Very important to the healing. Very soon you'll get healed. Okay, very well, fully well.
Yes,
Doctor. That's okay?
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Mama is okay. She can see very well now.
Hey!
Alright. Take good care of her, eh?
So
Okay. Look at
oh, Baba. Baba, so you can see me. I can see you. I can see your hands, Baba. Take a card. Black flower dress. Hey! Mama, it's good to see you, Mama. It's good, it's great. Relax.
Yes, hello, who's this?
Hello, good day, sir. It's Amarachi, the girl you paid for her surgery. I just wanted to call to say thank you for paying for my surgery. You have given me my sight back. I can see again.
I'm happy for you. That's all that matters.
Thank you so much, sir. I do not really have anything to offer you. But I would like to meet you in person to say thank you at least. How can I meet you, sir?
We can talk on the phone. I'm glad you're fine. Okay?
That's okay, sir. I will call every day to say thank you until you allow me meet you in person.
It's alright. Do whatever that pleases you.
Thank you.
Once again, I'm happy you're fine.
Everything happens for a reason. People change so that we can learn how to let go. Some certain things. Whoa, yeah. If I didn't know,
Hey! Your Highness. Where are you going with that?
I am delivering a message from the Queen, Your Highness.
Drop it. I need you to go get me a glass of juice. A cold one at that.
Your Highness, I need to run around for the Queen.
Are you mad? No, is something wrong with you? Are you stupid? Are you mad? What?
What are you still doing there? You should run off immediately and go to where I sent you to. Yeah.
Sorry. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I can't keep sending this dirty, untrained maidens my errands. I need to get my own personal maid, a clean one at that. They're too dirty for my liking.
I will arrange for that as soon as possible. But my dear, you need to learn to be patient. I am still the queen and in control. Understand that.
Excuse me, Your Majesty.
Oh no, Igwe, who authorized the sale of this land?
Yeah, my king, perhaps you should ask the queen.
Your Majesty, what's going on?
Some of these lands that were made for the project has been sold.
Oh, let me see, Your Majesty.
Look at it.
Oh, I thought those lands weren't included in the project.
See, we cannot afford to lose any land. Go and retrieve it before the notice of Umuchu Kingdom. Did you get me? Go now and retrieve it. Did you hear me?
Your Majesty, we will take care of it.
My queen, what if the lands cannot be retrieved?
Why not?
Of course we can. All we need to do is to give them back their money and get our lands back. Because I am not prepared for the king's problem. I am not.
Amarachi, my beautiful, sexy cousin. How are you now? How are you doing?
Ikenna, not today. Don't come close to me. Respect yourself. At least not today. Don't touch me. Are you deaf?
Come now.
I said don't touch me! What is wrong with you?
Amarachi, you can see.
Yes, I can see. And I remember every single disgusting thing you did to me. How you tormented me even in my dreams. And now you're bringing out your stupid, disgusting hand to try to touch me once again.
Amarachi, I'm sorry. It's the work of the devil. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. I'm very, very sorry. Please.
Be very careful. Don't come close to me next time.
Please, I'm sorry, Amarachi. Please. It's not my fault. I'm very, very sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. You can see.
The experience here, it was something that I couldn't explain. Do you know? You know your mother with her weak heart.
Mama, you are the strongest person I know. Relax.
Thank God. I just thank God.
Well, that's over now.
My child,
Mama.
I am hungry and there is no food in the house.
Mama, we drink Gary. Yes. Do you know what God has done for me? He restored my sight. I'm not in darkness anymore, Mama. You know what? What is food compared to this miracle?
Mama, you are a very strong spirit, child.
Mama, guess what? I even beat up that Ikenna today. He came to me thinking I was still blind.
Hope he did not hurt you.
Hurt me? That's not possible, Mama. Ikenna could not even hurt me while I was blind. Not now when I can see. Guess what? I used my stick to beat him.
That sounds right. At least he will stop disturbing you.
Thank God.
Let's drink the Gary as you said. And thank God for the miracle that he has done. And also for that good Samaritan.
Oh, Mama.
That he brought to us.
To help me.
For doing that great miracle. That does not tire Jesus.
Mama, and next thing is, I'll look for a job. Yes. I'll get a job, start working, then... Mama, guess what? Our suffering will end. I promise you.
Chukudalo. Let me just sit here.
Okay,
Let me go and bring the Gary.
That's okay, Mama.
Miracle that does not tire Jesus.
Oh, Mama. Oh.
My queen.
Where is the money from the land you sold?
Gone. Sold. If you want the land back, find another way.
I beg your pardon.
My
I
queen,
beg your pardon.
You don't give me enough money.
So how long will I continue to give you enough money?
Until the king is dead and I take over the throne.
Is the actual audacity. Now listen to me and listen very carefully. On no account should you sell any of my land without my permission ever again.
So, you are the one that wants to work in this palace as my personal maid?
Yes, my princess. I am very hardworking and I promise to do my best.
I see. Now listen and listen carefully. I do not think nonsense. If you are lazy, disrespectful, or disobedient, I'll personally throw you out of this palace like the piece of trash that you already are. Am I understood?
Yes, my princess.
Like every other maid in this palace, I would want my personal maid to look corporate. No more of these rags that you're putting on. You need to look presentable at all times.
Okay, my princess.
Your work starts now. Go and look for something useful to do. Get out of my sight.
Thank you, my princess.
Out.
Mama, I got the job. That's my girl. I'm happy for you, my child.
Mama, you are looking at the personal assistant to the princess of Umuchu, soon to be queen. Simply means I'll be the queen's personal assistant.
Only my child was going to make me happy. I knew that even if there are thousands of people that came seeking for that job, you will always come at number one.
Yes, Mama. You know, the maids in the palace were so happy for me. They were really happy I got the job. They said they're happy I got it because I'll be the one taking the responsibility of the princess. Because they will no longer bear the burden of the princess, that I will bear the burden. I do not know what they mean, Mama.
Do not bother about finding the meaning to what they mean. Do you hear me? Just concentrate in your work. Remember, money doesn't come easily.
Yes, Mama. I will endure anything.
That's my
But I'm so happy, Mama. Mama, what do you cook?
Apart from what I cook, I'm going to buy you a bottle of Fanta.
Yes. Greetings, my prince.
Amarachi, what are you doing here?
I now work in the palace for the princess. I guess that's how you know my name.
Oh, yes. That's how I got to know your beautiful name. It's all right. Carry on.
Thank you.
Yeah. Take care.
Hearing your voice alone makes me happy. Oh, I am so in love. Anytime.
Father, I think there's a problem with the land agreements project. Some plots of land meant for the university project in Umomako has been sold. Are you aware of this?
It's not possible, son. Maybe there are one or two mistakes somewhere.
Oh, Father, I have to look into this properly. If this is so, that means there's a mistake somewhere. Oh, the people of Umomako are cheating us.
You don't really have to jump into conclusions like that. Let's do the first thing first. Get the engineers. Let us be sure of what we are doing.
It's alright, Father. I'll get into a brief meeting with them immediately.
It's alright, son.
Okay, Father.
Alright.
It's not meant to be here. What is going on? That's so confusing. I mean, how possible is this?
Are you right?
Oh, I'm fine. I don't know what happened.
Then you have to rest, okay? Go back to your chambers and rest.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Excused.
Open the gate.
Mom, you don't understand. I said you need to look for a way to settle that land issue now. Izuna is about to find out what happened. That is the problem. I don't know. I don't know how he got to find out, but you need to fix it now. I managed to take his phone just to slow him down. Mom, please, I beg you, look for a way to fix it now. Fix up everything before he finds out. Alright, Mom, you know I always have my way around things. Alright.
Oh no. What are you going to do to stop Umochu people from finding out that we have sold some of their lands? Eliminate the king? That's too risky. And even if we get rid of him, his son will still return. You mean take all the money and run? Of course we'll take her along. Although she won't forgive us, but she has no choice.
Oh, greetings, my prince.
Amarachi,
My prince.
you washed it.
Well, I take care of everything that concerns the princess, including washing her clothes.
Isn't that way too much work for you considering your leg?
How did you know about my leg?
Well, I saw you massaging it. Huh?
Oh, it's okay. It's nothing washing, really. But my prince, your voice, it sounds really familiar. Like I've heard it before.
It's possible you've heard it. It's possible we've met before now. I've actually met a lot of people, so it's possible.
Maybe.
Maybe. It's alright, carry on with your washing.
Of course.
I was actually looking for my phone.
Okay.
My
phone.
Hearing your voice alone
Strange.
makes me happy.
Really strange.
I am so in love.
Mother, why did you send for me in such a hurry?
There's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, I'm listening.
I'm sure you've noticed your father's attitude towards me lately.
Mother.
And you already know that I've been with to know.
Come on. Mother. I mean, that is no news. Literally everybody knows. I think the only person who is not aware is my father. But why are you telling me this now?
Well, on that note, Ono and I have plans. We have agreed to elope with all the money we made from the sales of the land. And we want you to live with us.
Elope, mother. You want to leave? Mother, maybe you have forgotten. All my life, Mother, all of my life I have prepared to be queen. And now you want me to abandon all of that? Because of what? Because you sold the land and made how much? Mother, no, I will not do that. How sure are you that you will not be caught?
Of course we will not be caught. Who is going to catch me? The crown queen of Umomako kingdom, me. You really do not know the kind of mother you have. Nobody is going to catch us. And that's exactly why I called you. So you can tag along.
No, mother. No, mother. I would do no such thing. Really, mother? Like you're being serious. I have waited for this time. I have waited for this opportunity. I have groomed myself to get to this side, mother. The soon-to-be future queen of Umuchu Kingdom. And you expect me to abandon all of it? No, I can't do that. But I'm not going anywhere. I can't do that.
Stop it and don't be ridiculous. What if the people finds out about the truth? Madam Fisher Queen. What happens?
Truth. What truth are you talking about, mother?
Ono is your biological father.
No. No, mother. You're not serious, are you? Mother. You mean to say I am not royalty?
Exactly. What happens to you when the people get to know? You think they will still allow you to rule them? That's not possible. So you better make hay while the sun shines.
But this cannot be true. So all my life has been a lie after all. No, mother, this cannot be true. I know that you're not saying the reality. Mother, this cannot be true. I know, mother, I know this is not true. Please just tell me it is not true, please. You can't. What? Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
What are you doing? Where are you? Mama? 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 Mama?
Mama? Mama? Mama, wake up.
Mama, please wake up. Mama? Mama, please wake up. Wake up, Mama. Please. Please wake up, Mama.
Mama, Mama, please sit. There's no problem. I had that same dream again. This time, it was a woman who was pregnant. And she was killed right in front of me. The shocking thing is, I kept calling her Mama. Why would I want to call another woman Mama? Why do I still keep having these dreams? Even now that I can see, and I'm no longer scared of Ikena. Why, Mama? Stop reading meanings to dreams, Amarachi. It is your subconscious mind that is playing tricks on you. Oh, Mama, why are you raising your voice? Because you keep reading meaning to dreams. Forget about dreams and focus on your work at the palace. The salary is enough to keep you busy.
Why have some lands been sold off? I reviewed this document and I realized some plots for the proposed project are missing. Why?
Oh, that. It was a mistake. A clerical error. It will be rectified in a week.
Exactly, my prince. There's nothing to worry about, okay? Look, I'm a woman of integrity. I'll personally make sure that everything is put back in order before anyone notices.
Alright, my queen, I suggest you all attend to this as soon as possible. I do not want the government to look into this and think or suspect foul play from anywhere.
Oh, not at all.
It will be handled smoothly.
It's okay.
I trust you all and I believe this will be attended to. Thank you very much. Alright, my queen.
Alright, my prince, take care.
Thank you.
No. They want to leave me. My own parents. They are planning their own escape and then abandon me here like a piece of forgotten furniture. No, it will not happen. After everything I have done to get to this level, I will not be treated like a mere servant. I will not be abandoned like a foolish servant. No! Chiruna, you need to act. You need to act first. You need to be smarter. You can't lose. I will not sit and watch them decide my fate like a fool. I won't do it. I will have to spoil their plan or make my own move first.
My own plans here remain for Naya. I'll become king of Umomako, while our daughter becomes queen of Umuchu. Everything is in our hands.
And what happens to me? What happens to the great queen of Umomako when you finally ascend the throne? What happens to me?
You will be taken care of.
Excuse you? Excuse you, no. Look, don't play games with me. Don't play games with me. We both know what happens to a man when he eventually ascends the throne. The wife automatically becomes the queen. And I will be nothing, of course. Because I will be discarded like a used cloth.
Perhaps you should find a way to stay useful to them.
Oh no. Oh no. The death that will kill a child does not allow that child to hear the sound of the whistle. Be careful. Maybe I need to remind you that this king's son is still alive. And immediately the information gets to him that his father is dead, he will return. Then what happens to you, Mr. Takeover?
Simple. We kill him too.
Never. Never. I agreed to play this game with you all along. But I will never stain my hands with blood of the king and his son. I will not.
Really?
Because you're overstepping your bounds and I will not be part of it.
Maybe you are not as ruthless as you claim to be, Marco. Funaya, if you are not on my side, then you are against me. You know what that means?
My friend.
What are you doing?
My prince, what do you think I'm doing? I am your wife to be. You've always wanted this all along, isn't it?
Since when? Since when did you start caring about this? I mean, I remember vividly well, I always come to you, but every time I come to you, you push me away. So what happened? What changed?
My prince, doesn't matter now. It doesn't matter. Fine, I am ready. Let's just do this, okay? You've always wanted this.
Stop.
My prince, just...
I'm sorry I can't do this, okay?
Izuna, you've always...
I said I can't! Stop! What has come over you? God. You must be possessed.
Isn't... Chibuna, you need to hold on to something. You need to hold on to something strong. I need something powerful. I need an air. I need to... Chibuna. My mother is gone. I need something to fight for my place in this kingdom. I need to hold on to something. I need something very strong. Listen, you...
Hey.
My prince.
You know you shouldn't be out here by this time.
Neither should you, my prince.
I couldn't sleep.
Neither could I. The palace is full of ghosts after all.
Tell me, why do you wear these glasses all the time?
The fact I'm seeing you now, my prince, is indeed a miracle.
And what do you mean by that?
I was blind for years. I lived in complete darkness. I stumbled through life, learning to use my ears and my hands where my eyes had failed me. But then, a man came into my life, a man I never saw. He gave me my greatest gift. He paid for my surgery. He gave me my sight back.
And who is this man, if I may ask?
I don't know, my prince. I never saw his face. I think it was like an angel sent from God. The mystery man disappeared after he paid for my surgery. Well, enough about me, my friends. What about you? What troubles your sleep?
I think I want to hear more about this mystery man. Tell me more about him.
Then I'll have to get you a seat, my friends.
Your Majesty.
Hello.
Igwe.
You're welcome.
I bring you the finest palm wine, straight from the best tapper in the land, the token of my loyalty.
Oh no, you see, one thing about you is that you know how to please an old man. Please pour some drinks for me. Hey.
Igwe.
Hey, this is the original.
You can say that again.
Hey, Kaboyao. This the original one from
Your Majesty.
Huh?
I think you're drinking too much palm wine for your age.
Yeah. Funaya, let me enjoy myself now.
Have you not been enjoying yourself? Have I not been treating you well? No. Your generosity is well appreciated.
Yes.
Well, you see, my husband's health is my priority. I'll keep this for later. Thank you once again.
As Your Majesty, please.
Excuse me, Your Majesty.
It's all right. Oh no. You've seen me. I will take it later. You know women now. Huh? So, how is everything?
Thank you. Did you see what Princess did to Amarachi today? I saw it. I felt so bad for Amarachi. She stood there trying hard not to cry.
Well, it won't be for so long because nobody can endure such wickedness for a long time. It won't be for long.
When she leaves, the princess will find another maiden that she will torment. I pray she doesn't choose us.
Not me, oh God forbid. I can't walk without.
Please, I'm out of here.
Amarachi, my child, you come home each day more exhausted than you were the previous day. Does it worth the stress?
Mama, now I understand why the maids complained about the princess. She is truly wicked.
Then you resign, my child. Resign. Because this does not worth it.
Mama, we need the money. I will not let the princess chase me away from the palace. I will enjoy it, Mama.
For how long?
Trust me, Mama. Not everyone in the palace is cruel. The prince, he's really kind. The prince, you said? Yes, Mama. He can even sit to talk to the least maid in the palace. He's quite humble.
You foolish woman. You think you can stand in my way. Next time you interfere in my matters, I'll make sure you feel the pain in the most possible way. What's the meaning of this?
What does it look like in that your dirty eyes? What does it look like?
Put this thing down.
You think you can just walk into my palace, get me choked up and walk away unhurt? Oh really? You think you have all the powers? You forgot that power is power. And I wield it far better than you ever will.
I'm sorry, I lost control.
Shut up or I'll blow off your damn skull. Shut up! Take off your cap. Take your damn cap off! You scallywag! Your two hands up. Raise your two hands up! You think I'm joking? I'm pulling the trigger right away. Now turn around. Turn around! Turn around! Get out! Turn around! A phone! A phone?
Yes, the one that was destroyed.
Thank you, Your Highness. Although you shouldn't have, even though I know I won't return it.
This is a phone.
Yes, Mama.
Oh, this big thing is a phone.
It is.
I thought I not a big woman.